Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change theme design on the Weebly. So let's get started. First of all, go on your Weebly side. Once you are in, you have to go on the edit side, and here you have to go on the site design. Now you have to go on the pick a new style. Here you can pick your style, like you can start by picking an overall site style, then make it your own by customizing the color, fonts and shape. You have to select any one. Once you select it, you have to click on the customize and apply it on your new style. And here your new theme has been added. You can also reset to defaults, and again also pick a new style if you want to change it. Once you done it, you have to click on the done and save the changes. So yeah, this is how you can change theme design on the Weebly.